Bring it back.
Good morning, Panther. Welcome to WPN. My name is Natasha.
And my name is Selena. It's a wonderful day to be a Panther.
Panther, it's time for holiday cheers. Please see the list of all 12 days for holiday dress up days.
The 12 days of holidays dress has started and will continue through December 22nd.
This week team up today holiday movie character, Tuesday dress like present, Wednesday snowman day, Thursday holiday PJ day, and Friday Santa days.
Panthers, are you interested in playing tennis? Well, there will be a meeting this Thursday, December 14th for anyone who is interested in trying out for the boys or girls tennis team.
The meeting will be from 3:40 p.m. to 4 p.m. in room 6113. If you have any questions, please see Coach Edwards.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!